Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send a photo in Telegram with timer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is simply access your particular Telegram app on your mobile phone. Right over here, simply go ahead, tap on the user whom you would like to share the picture with timer. Tap on it. You have to make sure that both of you are added and friend. If you're not, then you might not be able to access that option. Now tap on this this document clip icon on left side and choose a picture. And now you can simply tap on this little blue icon, press and hold, and now tap on this option of send with timer. Simply choose the seconds of yours, and now let's say 1 second, and tap on this send with timer. And now you have simply sent that particular message of yours there, sent with the timer to that user. Once they have opened it up, after 1 second it will be gone. That is how you can do it. You can do that to any account of yours and you're good to go. That's it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.